Harga diri kami murah, hati susah diukur, nasi jadi bubur. Sudah puas telan asam garam stigma buruk kultur. Ini warisan legacy tentang jati diri, jangan menilai.
Halo teman-teman, jumpa lagi dengan saya Rilian Tubel. Kali ini saya mau bikin konten tato lagi. Di sini nih saya kedatangan customer dari mana men?
Dari
Kalinaung. Kalinaung itu di mana kita?
Di Likupang.
Oh, Likupang. Oke, jadi dia di sini mau bikin tato di bagian tangan ini. Jadi di sini adalah pengalaman pertama dia, pengalaman perdana, baru ini mau coba bikin tato toh. Oke, jadi saya akan bikin tato di sini. Di sini saya mau main friend lagi. Jadi buat teman-teman yang penasaran dengan hasilnya bakalan seperti apa, pokoknya saksikan terus video ini. Oke teman-teman, kita akan segera mulai. Tapi pertama-tama saya mau bikin sketsanya dulu. Di sini saya mau main friend. Nah,
rakyat bertato tak bisa untuk dikalahkan. Rakyat bertato tak bisa untuk disalahkan. Tato merupakan selera seni yang tak murah. Sayangnya hidup kami dipandang sebelah mata. Ketika buruk sangka dibangun oleh media. Miskin wawasan tentang tato membuat jenaka. Lebih konyolnya juga yang berstatement bahwa yang bertato hanya kriminal dan juga sampah. Tak asing di telinga, juga sering terdengar. Yang punya tato itu tak layak untuk dipekerja. Pacaran ditolak oleh sang mertua. Kerja pun tak mudah karena banyak gambar berwarna. Orang cuma orang baik dan juga anak terdidik. Ini cuma hobi yang sangat menarik dan estetik. Jangan ngoni pikir tato sama dengan politik. Seni ini mahal, yang murah itu munafik.
Lebih lagi mengenal diriku. Tato bukan kriminal, yeah it's true. Do it for my family. You generate enough for me. With the love I can hold my dream above. Lebih lagi mengenal diriku. Tato bukan kriminal, yeah it's true. Do it for my family. You generate enough for me. With the love I can hold my dream above. You better watch out, doktrin yang bertato orang jahat. Jika kau menolak lupa batin serasa di saya. Apa kabar koruptor, jago sulap uang rakyat. So jangan sapu rata, yang punya tato itu penjahat. Jarum masuk kulit mesinku hasilkan money. Stop opini sempit karena ini karya seni. Lukis badan orang nada beats di musim semi. Lintasi ceria kini hobiku temani. I'm a free, jobku tak dikejar deadline. I'm a free, tak dipaksa incar headline. Yeah, still in love, God bless. Lewati proses karena bukan cuma sarjana. Jalan menuju sukses sejak dulu ku gemari. Dini hari ku sadari hal yang ku cintai ya membuahkan hasil. Kini dihargai, ku duduk tersenyum sambil rasakan getaran mesin. Ku jaga tetap stabil, black and white. Awal ku memulai semuanya day to day. Hampir siap saat bersamanya. Pacu imajinasi agar terlihat menarik. Tinta kombinasi untuk hasil yang terbaik. I do it for my client, I do it for my passion. Tulus dari hati bukan karena gila mention. Tak merasa paling benar apalagi ingin tenar. Tapi karya yang abadi bila sentuh mata hati. Lebih lagi mengenal diriku. Tato bukan kriminal, yeah it's true. Do it for my family. The generation after me. With the love I can hold my dream above. Lebih lagi mengenal diriku. Tato bukan kriminal, yeah it's true. Do it for my family. The generation after me. With the love I can hold my dream above. Lebih lagi mengenal diriku. Tato bukan kriminal, yeah it's true. Do it for my family. The generation after me. With the love I can hold my dream above. Lebih lagi mengenal diriku. Tato bukan kriminal, yeah it's true. Do it for my family. The generation after me. With the love I can hold my dream above.
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, swear to God that I could drop you, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, let's go. I don't care what they all say. That's right, I'ma do this thing my way. Let's go. Been grinding hard on it all day. Okay, we work hard, then we all play. Yeah, I'm addicted to the grind, man. That's right, so I refuse to waste time, man. Yeah, one day it all will be fine, man. Let's go. Gotta commit to the climb. You know we're back with the Guinness, setting records every minute, every track. In addiction to the fact that we're winning, still we lack something's missing. Need a track that is hitting, making racks, making millions. If you ask, that's the mission. I don't waste time, no, I make time. All these people wanna hate, fine, I'ma make mine. While you sitting there complaining, I'll be training. While you sitting there just waiting, I'm creating. Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop you, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning, there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream, okay, it's the dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall.
Try to live, get it up. You got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Oke teman-teman, akhirnya pekerjaan kita sudah selesai sama brother Ian. Nah, ini tato perdananya, pertama kali dia bikin tato langsung besar begini teman-teman. Untuk pengalaman pertama kira-kira apa yang Anda rasa?
Ya cukup lumayan mengerikan sih.
Lumayan mengerikan ya, tapi masih bisa ditangkang, masih boleh lah DP sakit, boleh dapat tahan tuh. Nah, dari setelah bikin tato ini ada penyesalan atau nyanda ini, men?
Sejauh ini nyanda
karena setelah gambar. Biar mau nyasal sini boleh ini. Oke, yang penting apa? Ya ada penyesalan, dan untuk DP hasil kalau buat Ngana bagaimana?
Ya puas.
Puas. Betul-betul puas.
Puas.
Oke, siap. Jadi apa DP nama? Ini kan kenapa tato pertama toh, perdana. Nah, jadi setelah ini masih ada rencana mau tambah tato lagi?
Masih ada rencana.
Oke, masih ada rencana teman-teman. Oke, jadi kita akan tunggu aja. Pokoknya kita tunggu aja. Nanti kalau dia mau tambah tato lagi, otomatis kita bakalan bikin konten lagi, ya toh? Siap. Begitu.
Boleh begitu.
Boleh. Jadi sekarang ada 1-2 kata untuk penonton.
1-2 kata untuk penonton. Ya, sebelum ada target, tentukan pilihan.
Tentukan pilihan. Oke, siap. Jadi itu pesan dari klien saya yang sekarang sudah ada tato perdananya, men. Oke, jadi dengan selesai pekerjaan kita malam ini, otomatis video kita juga sudah selesai. Pokoknya teman-teman, pantengin terus channel ini dan nantikan video-video keren selanjutnya. Bye!